Hey there tech fans, you're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best video doorbells in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these video doorbells, feel free to check out the links in the video description. And lastly, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. The first video doorbell we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, we've got the eufy Wi-Fi Video Doorbell. Next up in our number 4 spot, we've got the Arlo Video Doorbell. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we've got the Ring Video Doorbell, the 2020 release. And coming in at our number 2 spot, we've got the Ring Video Doorbell 3 Plus. And last but not least, in our number 1 spot, we've got the Google Nest Hello Video Doorbell. Alright tech fans, so now that we're at the end of the video, let us know in the comments section which video doorbell you think you'd like the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in, or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos just like this one.